What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am here in the largest location in my area and I'm finding all sorts of new items. I love to come down the drink aisle because for some reason this location always has a lot of new drinks like these super coffees. The brand is Gator, I think. Gator Super Coffee, positive energy, 0 plant sugar, 10 grams of plant protein, 200 milligrams of caffeine, rich and dairy free, and the flavor is sweet cream. Those are definitely brand new. We also have the sparkling ice caffeines in blue raspberry and black raspberry, and also in strawberry citrus. We also have a variety of monster drinks, Monster Energy. We have another Monster Energy up here, and we have Monster Juice. We also have some Nescafes and some Dollar Tree regulars like the little iced lattes. And then down here, I found these electrolyte drinks in blueberry. These are some 0-calorie electrolyte drinks in blueberry. And we also have them in strawberry kiwi. Again, those are 0 calories. Hint waters. And behind me, we have tons of socks. I know it's kind of a weird combo, but whenever I come to this location, I'm showing like shirts and socks and drinks. And this location usually has a lot of nice shirts. This is a dry fit from Gildan. Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm busy.
This is a Gildan Performance, an extra small. It's basically a dry fit material shirt. Let's see if we have any other colors. We have Anvil. This is Hanes. We have some new little juncture socks. Butterfly socks. Hi, Terrelyn, if you're watching. To all my butterfly girls. Aw, be yourself. These are cute. Let's see if we have any new men's socks. Juncture socks, compression socks. The diabetic socks. The baby items. I know I've been getting some requests lately to show more baby items. The adorable baby spoons. There was a time when I actually found real Pedialyte in here, not the dupes, the actual real Pedialyte. They have the foaming baby wash and shampoo from Arm & Hammer in here. They also have the brand Baby Love. These have been here for years. The paraben-free baby soft scent petroleums. Lotion, baby wash, cream oil, 5 diapers in a pack. Baby powder, baby wipes, electrolyte drinks. Hey, I just show what's here. Diaper rash cream. They have the little brush buddies, finger toothbrushes to take care of baby's gums and new teeth. Let's see what other drinks we might have that's new. I did purchase those 100% pomegranate juices for my husband, and he said it didn't compare to Palm. You guys know the brand Palm, but it was worth a try. They have 100% real prune juice here. Humex guava nectar, peace tea, brisk tea. The V8 hydrates are here in strawberry cucumber. We also have a variety of body armor and Powerade and zero sugar Powerade. Also, Gatorade. We also have some Bangs here, some Rockstar Energy, some Rippets. Yeah, we have a variety of drinks. Coconut water. Oh yeah, last time I was here, the one video that I put Barbie in the thumbnail, she was showing us all of the Vita Coco drinks. And the Jelly Belly drinks are still here. The Venom Energies and Original Fruit Punch and Mango. And we still have the Rockstar Hemp Seed in Blueberry. Yeah. Peanuts. A whole bag of peanuts, roasted peanuts, 1 pound for $1.25. That's a pretty great deal. Oh my gosh, you guys, the popcorn is back. It's back. I bought some at a local grocery store and I was kind of kicking myself, but I hadn't seen this for weeks. You get 1 pound, 4 ounces for $1.25. That is a really, really great deal. Now my hands are full though. I think I need a cart. Oh, these are new. These little bottles. They're glass. And we have these cute little Halloween picks. And we have some cute silicone molds. To any of my ASMR friends that may be watching, as far as making reforms and dehydrating gym chalk, these will successfully go in your dehydrators. We have the pumpkin one. Those are cute. Also have some cookie cutters. Oh, and even more little picks. We have the cute little pumpkins. We also have acorns. I think we have some black cats also. Black cats? Oh no, I think those are, what are those? Oh, they're bats. And then we have some larger bat cake toppers. Trick or treat gift boxes. And we have some new little fall themed silicone spatulas that say hello fall. These ones are really cute. Look at these. And then we have this one also. Is it different? Oh, it's actually the same. I think this is new also. Yes, I'm gonna grab my popcorn. I miss eating my popcorn for a couple weeks. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna get it till I get to Dollar Tree. And then about 3 weeks went by and I just broke down and finally bought some at the grocery store. Caramel syrup. 100 calories for 2 tablespoons. No saturated fat, no trans fat. Caramel syrup. I might have to get some of that for my kids. They've been putting it over vanilla ice cream lately. Well, you guys, I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna figure out if I wanna film another one and down which aisle. I'm trying to share all the new weekly deals with you guys. Every location is so different, but I definitely do love stopping in Dollar Tree once a week and seeing what's new. I mean, some items here are just a really great deal. This used to be so cheap at $1 before they went to $1.25, and I don't think you could get it anywhere as cheap as here, and I think that still might be the case. Pitted medium ripe olives, 6 ounces for $1.25 is still coming in a little bit lower than Aldi. But all right, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.